Adventure is inside us all. We all want to go on an adventure. Adventure is exciting travel without any specific destination. Adventure is spontaneous. Grab your passport and go. Adventure is a zipline over the jungle. Adventure is hugging a stranger. Adventure is there for you underwater. Adventure is there for you in the skies. Adventure is hiking into the unknown alone. Adventure is climbing a mountain freestyle without ropes. Adventure is skateboarding and trying new tricks. Adventure is going on safari in Africa. Adventure is math and science and discovering new things. Adventure starts when you get lost. Adventure is out there. It is everything. What and where will your next adventure be? The end.